YouTube, what it do? It's your boy Trey 2 times. I'm back again with another video for y'all today. I don't really have a specific artist or nothing like that in mind for today's video, but I feel like making something wavy, man. And I'm gonna use Zenology, man. Show y'all what Zenology talking about, man. Some of those presets that's already available on there. I'm gonna make a beat only using Zenology, man. So y'all check that out. But if you're new to the channel, if you haven't already, well, subscribe to your boy, man. We're on the road to the big 5K, man. I appreciate all the love and support so far. Hit the like button, hit the notification bell, so you stay updated when I drop any new beat videos. Y'all know the rest. But I appreciate y'all, man. That's enough talking. Let's go and get into the video, man. Let's do it. Y'all know what time it is. All right, y'all, man. Fresh FL Studio project pulled up, man. For today's tempo, I'm feeling about 143, and I feel like making something wavy, man. I'm thinking, for some reason, I got like Shawty and Futuristic Love in my mind, those classic songs, man. So I'm gonna try to make something like real wavy and real smooth and real kind of ambient, man. We'll see what we can come up with. Only using Zenology, by the way, but let's do it. All right, so here y'all see, man, we got Zenology pulled up, man. As y'all can see, my favorite VST, my go-to VST, man. It should be in your top 5 arsenal, man. But as y'all can see, man, it just got a wide collection of sounds, and these are just an electric piano section, man. You got keyboards, harpsichords, man. It actually got harmonica sounds, all different type of stuff, man. Guitars, basses, strings, just so many sounds you could choose from. And what I feel like a lot of people don't really use too much on here is some of the preset banks they already got installed, man. Like the ones I've been using a lot lately is Nebulous Forms. Let's hit all. Yeah, but Nebulous Forms, man. And Volatile Memories over here. But as y'all can see, man, it's really, I'm not gonna lie, there's really no limit to what you can make using Zenology alone. I'm not gonna lie. So, but I think for right now, for me, I'm gonna go ahead and start out with electric piano, man. So let's go ahead and get that pulled up. Yeah, if you watch my previous videos, you see me use this electric piano before the X Vintage EP, man. But I'm just gonna lay down some chords, and I may change the sound out later, man. But let's get to it. Got some nice chords going right here. I think I'm gonna go ahead and just copy that over. May do like a little variation at the end. Yeah, something like that. Yeah, up here at the end. All right, y'all know what I'm gonna do is you know, I gotta strum everything. Y'all know how I operate. Yeah, let's go ahead and send it to the mixer. Start with EQ. Bring up a good amount of that low end. Bring up some of the mid, some of the highs, and let's go in with that tube compressor, man. I think that's cool. Next thing I'm gonna add y'all is a little chorus to it. Just a little bit, kind of give it a little wavy sound. Not too much. And then I want to add some reverb. I'm gonna go with chorus space, y'all, and I'm gonna change it to 80s. Kind of go down the pre today a little bit. I think that's pretty much cool, man. Let's find out some more sounds. All right, y'all, for my next sound, Jimmy Saul's synth lead. This is coming out of A Sharks with a K, AYE.Shark. Shout out to you, bro, for this preset bank. Zenology Nexus 2 preset bank for Zenology, man. Sound like this. And good thing about this beat, everything natural. So let's go ahead and lay something down. I'm really liking that, man. I'm really feeling that for sure. I don't really think it need no quantizing, so I'm just gonna copy it all over. EQ. Raise some of the lows a little bit. Come down on the highs a little bit. I like that. Turn it down. I really kind of want it in the background. I'm gonna put some reverb on this too, y'all. All right, y'all, man. I found this flute, the Roscoe flute, coming out of that A-sharp bank once again, man. Sound like that, man. So let's go ahead and record something in with that. Man, hey, I'm feeling this already, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Do a little EQing on it. I really want this to be more in the background. Bring it down a little bit. I want the EP to be the most prominent thing, though, for sure. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I might do like a little chorus on this too, y'all. Just a little bit. I'm gonna go back into the VST and I'm gonna change the attack a little bit, y'all. I'm gonna bring the attack down just a little bit so it don't hit too hard. We'll go about like 2 or 3. About 3. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I am gonna put a little delay on this. Go stereo. Go high pass. Let's hear it now. All right, we turn it down a little bit more. Pan this first melody to the left a little and the flute to the right a little bit. All right, so this next song gonna be the Rezo Pearl, man. It's a bell coming out of the JD 800 pack, man. This is one of those expansion packs, man, that you can get if you guys Zenology Pro subscription, man. Man, the JD 800 is one of those legendary synthesizer keyboards, man. They use it a lot in the 80s, man. Those 80s and 90s type sounds, man. So if y'all able to get that, man, I highly recommend it. So. Man, y'all hear it, man. Let's go ahead and just quantize all that. I know I'm gonna end up cutting a lot of low end out on this. Oh my God. Man, this sounds so good. I don't really think it need no extra like reverb or nothing. Kind of turn it to the left a little bit with that first melody. But that flute kind of prominent. Yeah, I think that's pretty good, man. Maybe 1 or 2 more sounds, man. Like I tell y'all all the time, man, about 4 to maybe 6 sounds is where that good window where you want to have with the when it comes to the sample. So let's keep going. All right, y'all. Back with the JD 800, man. The one drop is a Synth Pluck. Y'all got to get this bank, man. If y'all got Zenology, I promise you. Something like that. So let's lay something down. Yeah. Man, y'all hear it, dog. Y'all hear it. I really like that sound, man. It's kind of different, man. Y'all don't be using sound like this, bro. Y'all don't. But nah, let me stop playing. Some harsh frequencies in here. Up in here, this little area right here. Kind of make that a little wider. We're gonna use a lot of compression, turn that down a lot. And I may do just a little small amount of reverb, y'all. Just a little small amount. Oh. Yeah, how they add to that background element makes it real ambient, man, or ambient, however you want to say it. Tomato. All right, y'all, I think I found the perfect sound to wrap up this sample, man. It's the BG organ coming out of the Nexus Expansion 1 by A Shark, preset bank, man. Shout out to you, A Shark, once again. Just kind of add a little futuristic type texture, man, because I think that really fit this beat. Like I told y'all at the beginning, man, I'm kind of thinking like that Roscoe Dash, Young LA, man, that Shouty, T-Pain and Plies and stuff like that. So, yeah, let's lay something down with it. Y'all see that waveform? It's going kind of crazy. Hey, I like that, man. I like that. Here's the part we're gonna make it a little louder with the compressor. And it's kind of like panning from left to right already. We solo it. I think that's it, y'all, man. Time for the drums. Let's do it. All right, y'all. So for the drums, man, I'm really feeling that kind of 2008, 9, 10, maybe 2007 type drum sound. Let y'all know I'm using the Lex Luger 808, man, for the clap. I'm going to use this ATL Culture Volume 1 drum kit, the quality control one, something like that. With the hi-hat, man, I'm really probably thinking, I'm liking this SZA one, man, this SZA. Go ahead and start off with a basic two-step. Let's go ahead and turn the clap up a little bit on the velocity. Bring it up maybe like somewhere, maybe like that second line. Yeah, y'all hear it, man. Y'all hear it. Oh, anyway, let's go to the, let's add an open hat, man. Yeah, let's use that as essentials, man. Let's spice up the hi-hats a little bit first. Yeah, I'm not gonna go too crazy on the hi-hats, y'all. Probably. Probably put like maybe a roll right here. Hey, y'all here. Oh my God. Oh my God. Let's just copy that straight over, man. Straight over. Yeah, let's do something with that open hi-hat real quick. I probably actually do the 808 first, man. Let's do it, man. Y'all love the 808, so let's do it. Oh. Yeah, let's go ahead and copy it over. I still might spice it up a little bit because I want to have a little decent little bounce. But oh yeah, this is right here. I added a little A natural right here before this E natural. Hey man, this tough. Let's go ahead and do that open hi-hat, man. We're gonna actually bring that velocity back down, and we're gonna actually do something like this so it can cut off. Make sure I hit cut itself on that too. Just a little tip, man, so your hi-hat don't drag over to like the next part, so it can cut off on the snare. I'm actually gonna put a little super small one over here at the end, so it can cut off right here. Little tip, man, y'all play around with these 1/3 and these 1/4, so you can change the grid. As y'all can see, I'm putting the very, very tail end of this. Yeah, just like that. This beat going federal. Oh my God. Anyway, Let's send all these to the mixer. I'm starting at like 15 or something like that. I might add a perk, man. Maybe a rim. Yeah, I'm liking that, actually. I'm gonna use this Detroit. Yeah, I'm gonna use this little Detroit snare, and I'm gonna add like a roll in it, man. This is what we got, man, with that snare. Yeah, let's add a crash, man, at the end, man. We can use that, man, one of those classic trap cymbals, man. Put that straight on the one. Hey, last thing I'm gonna add, man, I'm gonna add this rat kick. Go ahead and do it. Let's lay down the kick pattern, man. Oh, I like that. Yeah, straight like that. Hey, straight like that, man. This is tough. Y'all hear it, man. Let's go ahead and arrange it, mix it up real good, and I'll play out a full beat in just a second, man. Let's do it. All right, we back, man. I got the beat mixed up and arranged real good. Added a sub 808 at the beginning for a dramatic build up with a riser. Went ahead and added some drops in the beat as well, and I switched up the 808 just to add a different type texture, man, different type bounce to it so it don't get too repetitive. Took the kick out for a little bit and put it back in, and that's pretty much it, man. Y'all check out the beat. Y'all let me know what y'all think. Added the flute back in. Switch up the 808 a little bit. Brought the kick back in right here. Yeah, hey, hey, this beat tough, man. It's tough. Hey, and there y'all have it. That's the whole beat. Let me know who y'all hearing this beat, man. Let me know if I nailed it or not, man. Talk to your boy 2 times. And if you made it this far to the end of the video, I appreciate your love and support, man. I appreciate you watching the video, checking me out. If you're new to the channel, if you haven't already, subscribe to your boy. We're on the road to the big 5K. We're on the road to the big 5K. I appreciate the love and support so far. Hit the notification bell, hit the like button. Keep checking out your boy videos, man. Watch my old videos. Subscribe for the new videos. Y'all know what time it is, man. But hey, that's enough talking. I appreciate y'all. I'll holler at y'all next time, man.